Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to fix sound problem on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from a laptop or desktop I'm facing sound problems, so how to solve that problem in Windows 11. First and foremost, just go to start menu and on top search here will be there. Just type service. Once you type service, services will be open here, services application. So this is a services application for the Microsoft. Just scroll down just to find out performance and login. So once you go to performance, logs and alert, just hit the button, automatically the service will be there. So performance, logs and alerts. So just click here for the start the service. Once you start the service, the service will be start over there, so that your log and performance, for example you have watched any other things and any other movies you have watched, means it will be hang or anything happen, means the sound may affect. So I have started the services. Just to close the services option and just go to start menu and go to control panel. Once you go to control panel, so just type on the start menu CON. Control means the control panel will be open here. Just hit the button. So here there will be a large icon, there will be a category, so just choose a large icon. Once you choose the large icon, every icons will be open here. Just choose a sound. Once you select the sound option, whether your playback speaker is working properly or not, you need to check. So this is a speaker option. Just right click on that and just choose a configure speaker. Once you select this configure speaker and just select the stereo and click next option, and front and left and right, you just to make it so that you will have a left and right speaker will be work properly, and configuration completed successfully. Just click finish option. So again just click the sound option and just go to recording, whether your mic is working properly, and sound, just check the sound, whether your Windows default sound, it will be in a no sound, means it won't work properly. Just choose Windows default. As well as the communication, do nothing you need to mention over here. Just click OK. The last and easy step, just go to the start menu and just type trouble, TRO. Once you type, means troubleshoot will be open here, that is troubleshoot settings. Once you select the troubleshoot settings option, so there will be a recommendation of a troubleshoot, recommended troubleshoot history, other troubleshooter will be there. Just choose other troubleshooter. Once you choose, means automatically the playing audio, that is your playing audio will be this troubleshoot. Just choose a run. Once you select the run option, automatically Windows will detect the problem. So whatever the problems happened in your laptop or desktop, it will detect. And yes, open audio enhancement, or no, don't open audio enhancement. We already did that audio enhancement. Just click a no, don't open. So automatically it will detect the checking option to resolving the problem. And now it will be play test sound. You are going to try something. So whether reinstalling the troubleshoot, any other problems happen, you can choose play test sound, which is, it will be auto drive will be help us to create a new files. Just click skip options to get option. So yeah, so once it's detected, means just go to your Windows and just click here for the restart. Once you restart the computer, automatically your audio will be working properly. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.